In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all posts in WordPress at one time. Whether you're cleaning up old content, preparing your site for a redesign, or you simply want a fresh start without manually deleting posts one by one, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. It's quick, efficient, and perfect for keeping your website organized. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, look to the left-hand menu and click on Posts, then select All Posts. This is where you'll see a full list of every post currently published or saved on your website. Now you can choose specific posts to delete, or if you want to delete everything at once, simply click the checkbox at the very top. This selects all the posts on the page instantly. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, find the Bulk Actions drop-down menu located above your list of posts. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From here, choose Move to Trash. Once selected, click the Apply button right next to it. WordPress will now move all your selected posts into the trash in just one click. It's a super helpful feature when you're dealing with large amounts of content. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Always double-check your selection before applying the action. Doing this beforehand helps avoid accidentally deleting something you still need. And remember, moving to the trash doesn't delete your posts permanently. It simply moves them out of sight so you can review them later if needed. Now that your posts are in the trash, you're not done yet. Look toward the top of the screen and click on the Trash option. This will show all the posts you just removed. Inside the trash, you'll once again see the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. Click it and a similar menu will appear. This time, select Delete Permanently. Then click Apply. WordPress will remove all selected posts completely, no recovery, no backups, they're gone for good. After completing these steps, refresh your page to make sure everything has been fully deleted. It's also a good idea to scan through your posts section once more to confirm nothing important was mistakenly removed. If everything looks clean and organized, then you've successfully deleted all your posts in one go. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to delete all posts in WordPress at one time easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?